Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best plumbing auger that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Duty Plumbing Snake for clogged drains. The DrainSoon Auger is a professional plumbing snake drain auger designed to remove most household clogs. With 25 feet of flexible steel wire, it can easily reach difficult clogs beyond traps. The ergonomic pistol grip allows for easy operation, and the detailed operating instructions make it user-friendly. This drain auger is perfect for clearing clogs in kitchen and bathroom sinks, bathtubs, shower drains, and more. It comes with a pair of gloves for added convenience and safety. The durable ABS drum housing ensures easy storage and long-lasting durability. Overall, the DrainSoon Auger is a highly effective and versatile tool for keeping your drains flowing smoothly. Moving on at number 4, we have the Forlivese Plumbing Snake Drain Auger. The Forlivese Plumbing Snake Drain Auger is a flexible and durable tool designed to easily remove clogs from sinks, showers, and drains. With its 25 FT heavy-duty steel cable, it can reach deep pipe blockages without the need for chemicals. The flexible spring can bend more than 90 degrees, making it efficient in removing sink clogs. It offers easy operation and storage, with the springs easily stored in the drum after use. The plumbing snake is suitable for various drains, except for toilets, and comes with special tips for clearing downspouts and central vacuum lines. It comes with gloves for safety and offers reliable customer service. The Forlivese Plumbing Snake Drain Auger is a valuable tool for anyone dealing with clogged drains. At number 3, we have the RIDGID 59787 Toilet Auger with 3-foot snake. The RIDGID 59787 Model K3 Toilet Auger is a fast and efficient tool for clearing tough blockages in toilets. It is designed to be flexible and durable, with a kink-resistant 3-foot snake and an integrated bulb head for added flexibility in toilet drains. The auger features large, ergonomic handles for maximum control and comfort during use. Its 1/2-inch compression-wrapped inner core cable can withstand heavy-duty unclogging. The vinyl guard helps protect the porcelain at the throat of the bowl while clearing the blockage. With its versatile design, this toilet auger can even negotiate water-conserving toilets. It is a reliable tool to have on hand for any toilet clog emergency. At number 2, we have the DOMINOX Electric Drain Auger for clogged pipes. The DOMINOX Electric Drain Auger is a professional and efficient tool for cleaning clogged drains. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, LED work light, and a compact design. With a 25 FT steel flexible shaft, it is suitable for various drainage systems. The electric drain auger is easy to operate with an ergonomic rubber handle and a toggle operating lever. It can be used to unclog toilets, sewers, bathroom, and sink drain pipes. The product has received a perfect customer rating of 5.05 based on positive reviews. The DOMINOX Electric Drain Auger is a versatile and reliable tool for unclogging drains. It offers professional-grade performance with its rechargeable lithium-ion battery and 25 FT steel flexible shaft. The LED work light and ergonomic design enhance its usability in different environments. While it lacks a blow mold case for storage, this doesn't diminish its effectiveness. And finally at number 1, we have the populo Electric Drain Auger. The populo Electric Drain Auger is a powerful and easy-to-use tool for clearing clogs in drains. With a flexible cable and 20 volts battery, this cordless drain cleaner is suitable for toilets, sinks, showers, and sewer pipes. The lithium-ion battery provides a longer runtime and is interchangeable with other tools in the populo 20 volts max system. The auger is equipped with a 25 feet reinforced flexible cable and a powered forward and reverse feeding mechanism. The ergonomic design includes a rubberized grip handle and a built-in LED work light for better visibility. The onboard rear drain port prevents water buildup. Overall, this drain auger is a handy tool for both professionals and homeowners.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.